Mechanics absolutely hate when you discover this reset trick. It's a $0 fix for 90% of car problems. Stop paying $150 diagnostic fees. Modern cars are computers on wheels. Most of the time, they just need a reboot. If your car is idling rough or shifting weird, I'm revealing the hidden sequence to reset your car's brain right now. No tools required, no cost. Let's get into it. Let's start with the classic battery disconnect trick. Turn off your car's engine completely and remove the key from the ignition. This ensures the vehicle is totally powered down and safe for you to begin the reset process. This simple step protects your car's computer while you perform these easy fixes. Open the hood and loosen the nut on the negative battery cable. Pull the black wire off the metal terminal. This cuts all power to the car's computer. Doing this helps reset the system and can clear out simple electronic errors without needing a mechanic. Go inside your car and push the brake pedal down firmly. Hold it there for 30 seconds to empty out any leftover electricity still hidden deep inside the car's electrical system. Let the car sit for 15 minutes, then attach the battery cable again. This reboots the computer, clears old data, and resets the transmission, making your vehicle run smoothly like new. If you want to be more specific with your fix, you can use the fuse box instead of the battery. Every car has a box filled with small fuses that control different parts of the vehicle's computer. You can pull out a specific fuse for the part that is acting up, such as the engine control module or the transmission module. By removing just one fuse, you are cutting power to that specific brain of the car. Simply pull the fuse out, wait for 10 minutes, and then push it back into its slot. For instance, pulling the transmission fuse on a Nissan can make the car shift gears smoothly again. The best part about this method is that it resets the problem area without erasing your clock, radio stations, or other personal settings. It is a faster, cleaner way to fix your car's digital glitches. Next is the pedal dance for a throttle and transmission relearn. Put your key in the ignition and turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Simply wait for 3 seconds to let the car's computer systems wake up. Quickly push the gas pedal all the way down and let it back up 5 times. You must finish all 5 pumps within 5 seconds for the car to record it. After you finish pumping the pedal, sit still and wait for exactly 7 seconds. Then, press the gas pedal down firmly and hold it there for 15 seconds without letting go. Finally, start your engine and just let it run quietly. This simple process clears the computer's memory and helps your transmission and throttle work perfectly on most common car brands. If you have $20, you can buy a small tool called an OBD2 scanner. This device plugs into your car and clears simple error lights caused by things like a loose gas cap. If the problem stays, use the nuclear option. This means you disconnect the battery and pull the main fuses for 30 minutes. Afterward, reconnect everything and let the car sit running for 5 minutes with the air conditioning off, then 5 minutes with it on. Finally, take a slow drive. This helps your car's computer learn how to run perfectly again with its fresh start. Here are tips to reset other systems. TPMS. Make sure your tires have the right amount of air. Hold the reset button down until the light flashes 3 times. Then, drive your car so the computer can update. HVAC. Blend door. To reset your air conditioning vents, press and hold the recirculate and rear defrost buttons at the same time for 10 seconds. This tells the car's computer to restart and fix the heating and cooling system. Steering angle. To reset your steering sensor, turn the steering wheel all the way to the left, then all the way to the right. Finally, turn it back to the middle. Transmission memory. To reset your transmission, turn the key to on without starting. Press the gas for 10 seconds, then turn the key off and let go. Wait 2 minutes before driving. This simple trick helps your car shift smoothly again. Infotainment. To reset your car's screen, go to the System Settings menu. Find the option labeled Factory Reset and select it. This will clear all saved data and fix common glitches with your Bluetooth or navigation. After fixing your car, you should always perform an idle relearn to keep the engine from stalling. Simply let your car sit and run quietly for a few minutes so the computer can find its balance again. It is also very helpful to keep a small notebook in your car to write down any issues you notice. If a warning light disappears after a reset and never comes back, it was likely just a small digital glitch. However, if the same problem returns, you will know that you have a real mechanical part that needs to be repaired. Finally, if your power windows stop working correctly, you can reset the motors yourself. Turn the key to the on position. Hold the window switch down for 5 seconds after it is open, then hold it up for 5 seconds after it is closed. This saves you from buying expensive new parts. You are now in total control of your car, not just someone sitting behind the wheel. By using these simple tricks, you can fix common digital glitches yourself. This means you can solve minor electronic issues without paying a mechanic for expensive repairs. Learning these secrets gives you the confidence to handle small problems right at home.